Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gong for sales call insights and coaching, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing Gong for sales call insights and coaching, first, ensure that you have the appropriate permissions and access to your organization's system. Visit the Gong website and create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your new or existing Gong account. Navigate to the installation section, which is typically found in the settings or setup menu. Select the option for integrating with your call platform, such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Follow the prompts to authorize Gong to access your account with the call platform. Make sure to allow all necessary permissions for Gong to record calls and gather insights. Configure the settings to determine how Gong will record and analyze your calls. Set up any required integrations with your CRM system to connect Gong with your sales data. Choose the team members who will also have access to Gong's features and insights. Customize the notifications and alert settings to tailor your experience based on your preferences. Once you've completed the setup process, conduct a test call to ensure Gong is recording properly. After the test call, review the insights generated by Gong to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features. Identify areas where coaching can be applied based on the insights from the test call. Encourage your team to engage with Gong and utilize the coaching tools available. Regularly check for updates or new features released by Gong to maximize the benefits of the platform. With Gong properly installed and configured, you can now start leveraging sales call insights to enhance performance and accountability. Make sure to check in with your team often to gather feedback and provide additional training as needed. This guide should help you smoothly install Gong and begin using it effectively for your sales team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.